To make a dahlia flower, you don't need much material. All you need is your ribbon, a fabric glue, sharp scissors, and a centerpiece. I have already made one layer of a dahlia flower using my own rose flower as a centerpiece. You can use a bead or a button or any form of embellishment available to you. You will also require a needle and thread to complete the process. As you can see, I used 6 pieces of petals to achieve this. You can use a minimum of 5 pieces or more. And for the one I'm making right now, I want it to be a larger flower. So I will be using 8 pieces of petals. For the fact that the width of our ribbon is 1 inch, we will multiply the length by 3, making it a size of 1 inch by 3 inches, following the rule of ratio 1:3. Once you've confirmed your measurements, you can roll the piece up to the number of petals that you require and cut. Note that this is only necessary if you are using a ribbon. After getting your ribbon or fabric cut into your desired measurement, next is to start forming the petals. To do this, fold the material in a slant form while making sure that both sides are equal. From the center, fold again for both sides to meet each other, and you will end up with a combination of triangle and a square. Next, gather the ends using your needle and thread. We are using a very light material for this. Ensure to burn the tip with a lighter. Once you are done with the first one, pick the others one after the other until you get to the last piece. Once you are done, draw out your needle and thread and tie them firmly. Spread out the petals. And cut off any excess thread. Now you can add your embellishment. To make your flower more stylish, you can make it a double layer by adding a small size flower on top of a bigger one. Finally, to finish your flower, cut out a tough circular piece to support and secure your flower. I am using scuba material. You can also use felt. This is really gorgeous.